This palette project is unlike any other palette project I've done. We're making a storage solution for your outdoor tools, so make sure to check the height and then cut down the pallet for the height that you want. I removed the nails and extra wood from one of the boards. I used that board and secured it to the bottom with a total of 6 screws. I used 150 grit sandpaper and I gave the whole thing a quick sand. If you wanted to take this a step further, you could definitely stain it or paint it. In order to secure it to the wall, I put a base and made sure that was level, and then I put the pallet on top of that so that I could sit on something while I secured it to the wood wall. I also used a level on top just to make sure everything all matched up because the ground was pretty uneven. And now it's ready to add your shovels, rakes, tools, whatever you want. This is what the side of our shed looked like about half an hour before, and this is what it looks like after. This project was so quick, it didn't take very long at all. It's super functional, and I definitely recommend doing it. Let me know if you'd give it a try. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out my other palette projects.